Hello, welcome to the channel Paparazer Airsoft. Have you recently got a new mag for your airsoft gun, but got no place to hold it for reloads? You know, for making reload videos on YouTube? Because that's my situation right now. Or maybe you have a mag and a mag pouch, but they don't fit each other. Then let me introduce you to my DIY cardboard mag pouch. It can fit any magazine you want, and it's very cheap. Here's how I made it. The items you need are cardboard, gun packing tape, or any other tape that can tape cardboard, carabiner, smaller sellotape, and the magazine you want to be inside the pouch. I use this high-capacity AK-47 magazine as an example. You also want a pencil and scissors, and a ruler may help. First, place the mag into the cardboard. Because the AK mag top is larger than its bottom, the side should follow the top so the mag will not get stuck. You can see the difference between the traced mag and the extra space here. I also remove approximately 5 cm off the bottom before I cut. Then I flip and copy this design. So I have two of them to cover the sides of the magazine. Then I trace the top of the magazine into this rectangle. Now the three cardboard parts can connect, so I tape them with weaker sellotape. Use the stronger packaging tape or other tape if you only use one type of tape. I traced on another cardboard again, this time for the outer curvy side.
Hey, well, I know it's hard to get you to believe me, but I just want you to know that if you're ever feeling down
And the inner curvy side.
that there are people there for you, whether you're aware of it or not. It's a really hard time for you, I promise you. It just takes time and a little bit of effort. I know you won't believe me at first.
Connect those new parts with weaker sellotape again.
If you're listening to this, just know that I believe in you. You can do it.
cut the excess. I'm now testing if this mag pouch is not too tight and not too loose for the mag. Now it's time to pack my magazine and send it for online shipping. Well, just kidding. It's not for shipping. I use my brown packaging tape and cover all the cardboard sides. And this bottom side too. Now it should be stronger than just now where I only use weaker cello tape. And oh, look at that, mag problem. That would be a disaster if that happens on field, so I put a little bit of cello tape in the mag. Well, I think this is the mag's problem, not the pouch problem. After this is the step to attach the carabiner. To decide which side will get the carabiner, I just test it out on my hip like this. I want my mag to be on my right side so I can use my left hand to take it from the right. So I decided to put the carabiner on this side and mark it. If I'm a lefty and want to take the mag with my right hand from the left side, I would put the carabiner in the opposite side. To attach the carabiner, get another cardboard and cut it. You don't have to cut it in the same shape of the mag. Rectangle is fine as long as it's big enough to contain the carabiner, but still less than the mag pouch size. Then, cut a slit for the carabiner to get it. Insert the carabiner and maybe enlarge the slit. And again, weaker cello tape first. Then, stronger packaging tape second, going through the carabiner and all over the cardboard. And that's it, the DIY cardboard mag pouch is finished. If you don't like the obvious packaging tape look, you can decorate it. For example, I covered the mag pouch in paper with printed camo pattern. Or maybe you can paint it, or airbrush it, or whatever. If you find the tutorial helpful so far, please like the video, and if you want to see more content related to Airsoft in the future, please subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's continue. I intend to use this mag pouch with my belt. I wear my belt normally, except I loop my right side of the belt to the mag pouch before finishing the belt. Let's try reloading from this mag pouch on belt. Another way I can attach the mag pouch to my gear is by using my vest. You can see I can use the straps in the vest to attach the mag pouch, but it's difficult to attach the carabiner to the vest while the vest is worn. So I'll do it when it's not worn, obviously. You can see here that because I only use one carabiner and it's on my middle, it can rotate quite freely on my vest. Well, should have used more carabiner for this maybe, but I didn't plan to use it like this. That's it for the tutorial. Thanks for watching, and like the video on your way out please.